everyone, I'm here to draw the winner of the competition I had for my team in the YLSunshineDiamonds. So here are all the people that were in the competition. They did a 100 PV order and they are buying with 100 PV this for last month in September. So let's draw the winner. So let's put all the people into the draw. There were no new entries, so these are all just existing, and they're going in the draw to win the 3 key ring cases. So here we go. I'll just mix it around a bit, and the winner is this one here, which is Deb A. So Deb A, you are the winner of the key rings. So I'll get that to you. Hope you're having a great one, and I've got a great competition this month to win a wooden essential oil case. So keep an eye out on that competition for this month when you do 100 PV. Have a great one. Bye.